Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video I'm doing a battery upgrade on this Power Wheels four-wheeler. These Power Wheels batteries seem like they're underpowered, they don't last very long. This is actually our second battery and now that one's going bad as well. They take a long time to charge and then they only get a few minutes of ride time. So I'm going to switch this out for a Milwaukee power tool battery. I've got lots of these in my shop so I can easily swap them out if this one dies and I can keep them riding for a while. Now, I'll leave the link to this battery adapter down in the description, but don't worry if you don't have Milwaukee batteries, you have a different brand. They sell a bunch of different types of these adapters for whatever brand you have. This adapter came as a kit, it has everything you need to install it. It came with several screws to mount it to whatever surface you need to. And then I purposely bought the kit that comes with a fuse already mounted on this so it will protect the battery and the four-wheeler. I'm not sure how necessary that is, but I just wanted to be on the safe side and have that there in case I need it. Then lastly, it came with a nice wire connector that makes this really easy to install. So I'm going to strip the wire adapter wires first, making sure that the battery is not in the adapter. You want that removed before you do this. I'll put those into the wire connector and then I will cut the other end off. This is where it plugged into the old battery, and I will strip those two wires, put the black with the black. Then the red and white wires sometimes are used interchangeably. In this case it is. Then once that's done, all I need to do is insert the battery and test it out. You'll see in just a minute, this battery is a lot more powerful than that much larger Power Wheels battery. This is going to make the four-wheeler go at least twice as fast. It seems like the slow speed is now faster than the fast speed used to be, and the girls will have a blast with this. They're starting to get a bit older and the four-wheeler was going a bit too slow for them, so now they're going to have a lot more fun with this. Now that just about finishes up the video for today. This was a really fast, easy project that I would definitely recommend, at least for some older kids. The younger ones might not be able to control it going this fast, but here's a before video. That's the fast speed, it's going downhill, and that was the max speed that it could go. And now I was having them take the slow speed going down through here, and it's faster than the fast speed used to be. It also seemed like it had much more power than before, easily going up the hills with both of them on it, no problem at all. And the batteries easily lasted 15-20 minutes, but I have several of these that I can have charged all at once, so they can now ride this for as long as they want and not have to worry about the battery dying on them and having to recharge it. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, hit that like button down below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos. Thanks so much guys. I'll see you in the next one.